Hello and welcome back to Muslim Convert Learning Arabic. In the previous video, I showed you how to pronounce the Tanween, kasratain, and now it's Dammatain. A Dhammatain is two Dhammas on top of a letter. They can be written like this. When I've been practicing how to write them, I have written them like this here. Two Dhammas on top of a letter. But you will find them written like this in some books. And in some books, actually, you can also find them written like that, which I've noticed. So the Dhamma sound makes an sound. So this will be bun, tun, thun, jun, hun, khun, and so on. Lun, mun, nun, wun. So if you know your alphabet, then you know how to pronounce the letters, and then you just make an sound at the end of the letter. So you've noticed the letters, and here again there are exercises to help with the pronunciation. Kitabun, which is a book, and it's written like that, and that's the sound at the end. And then going to the Quran to look for a Dammatain, and here is one right there. So we know this letter now makes an sound, and this is for ra, not dal, because dal has its own kasra there. And then we've got these two. And on this page, it's got an example of all three. The Fathatain there, the Dammatain there, like I had pointed out, and then there's also kasratain right here. This all helps with learning to pronounce the letters, and it's all coming together. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.